Hey guys, so I've got the perfect craft for you for this weekend. The temperatures are going to be so cold, so I thought this was a great time to do this because you're going to want it to be cold. So I'm outside so I can show you how to do this craft. We're going to make ice sculptures with ice cubes. So the supplies that I have 2 ice cube trays that you can continue to refill if you want to make bigger sculptures. I've got food coloring so that I can make my cubes different colors. Obviously water to mix the food coloring in. I've got a water bottle, not frozen water. I'll show you why in a minute. And then I've got a little bowl that I'm just gonna break my cubes into so they're easy to handle. So as you can see here, I've already frozen some ice cubes. I probably could have just set these outside, but I had them in my freezer. I'm gonna break them apart. When I put the food coloring in, instead of putting water in the ice cube trays and then putting drops of food coloring in those, I filled some cups of water and put a drop of food coloring in there and mixed it and then poured it into my trays. This way your color, this was just 1 drop in 1 cup per color, so you can see you don't really need a lot. So I'm just gonna start to break some of these apart here. It is cold out here. This is definitely something that you can do quickly and you can always build onto, and it'll last as long as it's cold outside. And then I've got orange and blue. That was a little quicker. All right, you can see my cool colors in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sculptures with these. So the trick is, let's see if you can see this right here. I'm gonna start with a base, and you can make anything you want. So what you're gonna do is start with your base, and then you're gonna add some colors of cubes. And then this is the reason that I have the water bottle. Once you're starting to add them on top of each other, squirt a little bit of water on it because it kind of acts as a glue. Count to 10. Great, so that's setting a little bit better. And then I'm just gonna build around that. My ice cubes, you can create castles. I don't know, there's so many different things. You guys probably have a lot better ideas than I do. But so don't forget, use your water as a glue to hold them together. And obviously with it being so cold outside, you won't have to worry about them melting right away. Can you see it? So I'm gonna keep building and then I'll post a picture of what I've done. I can't wait to see if you guys do this project as well. If you use anything other than ice cube trays to make bigger objects, that might be pretty cool too, and let me know what you use. All right guys, have fun with this and I'll see you next time.